I'm assuming you don't need an intro because obviously by the title, we're making jungle juice. So you got cheapest alcohol you can buy and $5 of lemonade mix. Why is this the best solution to jungle juice? It's because your main ingredient is water. A long time ago, I went and looked up all of the recipes that people are making online, and they're trying to get all fancy. They're dumping in like popsicles and fruit and ice cream. It's like, who has the money for that? Chances are if you're making jungle juice, you're in college or you stole 40 bucks from your mom and you're throwing a house party. This one's $5, aside from the alcohol that you have to buy. It kind of adds up. So. Back in college, my sophomore year, we started throwing house parties, and me and my roommates quickly realized that we needed a jungle juice that didn't stain the carpet, was super cheap, and somehow tasted good. You really need a jungle juice that doesn't stain because people are wasted halfway through the party, so you got Trisha just slapping everybody's cup out of their hand. Then you just look like a peasant on the floor, you know, scrubbing your carpet, stressing out. You don't want to stress during a party, so every time a cup flies out of someone's hand or off the table, you just don't have to care about it. It's basically just water in a light pink color. You're not really working with red, green, or blue over here. So let's start dicking around. So first you dump in 15 to 16 liters of water. There should be a marker on your 5-gallon. Smells kind of nice. I was about to do that backwards. You want to toss your alcohol in first because the lemonade mixes with the alcohol. You dump that in, right? Oh, I'm having like PTSD. I bought citrus. You could buy normal vodka, you know, not flavored, but either one works. So you want to dump 2 handles in there, 3 liters in total. And then when you're done with that, you take your lemonade mix and you dump that shit in. And you're good to go. Actually, you need to stir it. I actually use a bottle. Yeah, don't throw the bottle on the ground. And now all we have left to do is toss the ice in. So it's really important to throw the ice in last because I was at a party once. This girl comes up to me and she's like, "You're in charge of the jungle juice, right?" And I was like, "Yeah, but I didn't make this batch. Why?" She was like, "This literally tastes like water." I was like, all right, the main ingredient's water, but it shouldn't taste like water. I try it and I'm like, this is literally water. So I go up to the jungle juice, I look in it. It's just a bunch of ice floating at the top, and then sitting on top of it is a huge pile of lemonade powder. So I turned to my friend who made it, and I'm like, why didn't you stir it? You're supposed to stir lemonade. He's like, I don't know, I just shook it. I was like, bro, how do you mess that up? You had one job. And that is a full batch of jungle juice for like $5. And then if you want ice to be a nice person, it's an extra $2.50. So in total, this is $7.50 plus alcohol. It's as cheap as it gets. Yeah, so the name of it is Pink Drink. I totally ripped it off the Starbucks refresher called Pink Drink. It's a catchy name, okay? It honestly tastes good. Just kind of hoping there's not grass in this.